Alright, guys. Alright. Uh, hey, so Japan, things are not going so great this side. I'm actually readjusting my stop loss levels so I can cut my losses if I have to. Japan's not going accordingly. Market turned around, and there's not much I can do about it. But 450. But we'll hold and see how the day goes. If it shoots up, I'm just gonna cut my losses. It's okay. We can't catch them all, but we're still hanging on. Maybe when the American market opens, there might be some activity, but currently it's not looking very great. It's delaying, and if it's still going, it's taking its time. Maybe I'll check if there's news or something today. But yeah, no, it's not. Circumstances are not ideal. I'm pretty much preparing for worst case scenario. We'll try again, wait for another setup if that's the case. And yeah, that's all I can do at this point. Alright, bet. Alright, guys. So here we're looking at Japan225 index. Price has been going up. It went up, started having small candle sizes. Here's a engulf. That's the level of, in this case, that is the support of the sell. Next candle pushed down. Today's candle actually shot up and went up to that support level and came down. When you go on a smaller time frame, H4, we see that the similar thing of the sell closed majority of this buy candle. Not all of it, but majority of it. I'd say at least 85% is sell. So it even has the highest tip. So it's a good signal for a coming downtrend. So I'm gonna hop on the sell. In this account, only got like 580. So we're gonna see how much 580 can flip into by the end of the day or the week or whatever. But yeah, let's go, let's get it. Maximum we can open 50. Not enough money for 50. So okay. Alright. Okay. So in this regard, stop loss would be, I'd say here, because it already went up and then it got pushed down to the point where it even, if you look at the overall push from this candle, yeah, price came down here at some point, which is actually lower than that point. So I think it's just slowly coming back down again, but I'd say the previous higher point support is this level. This level here. I'd say this between the zone between these two prices. Between there and there. That's the new support. That's the entry spot. As you can see, I just entered a little below it, but my stop loss is that level over there. Let's hold. Let's see how the day looks. It might go up a bit, but we anticipate for that, hence the stop loss being a little further back from the entry level. And yeah, let's see.
Good morning. Good morning, guys. It's the 4th of December. It's the next week. Japan225 is only dropping now. It shut down today. Actually, guys, look here. It's at the bottom here. I could literally measure the bottom part of the cell and the buy candle. That's the level of use. That's your support level. And if we can pay attention here, we see that price dropped below. Now it's at the bottom range. This is actually where I can re-enter, because the support for the cell, in this level, yeah. Question is, where's price going? So we need to go back to the past, look left, then to look right. So we'll say price is dropping to this level here, this range here. That's the next support level. This support up here, that's for the sell. But for the buy, before price can start looking like a buy, it needs to come test this support here, which is this space. So we're gonna hold either for today, or we'll see how long it takes to get down here, but we're holding. But yeah, man, this goal is key. It's not even 5 o'clock in the morning. Hey.
Okay, guys, so as we can see, price went up a little bit, but it didn't necessarily go above the zone. Smaller time frames suggest price could still turn around later, but for now, I'll still hold my position. I entered a little outside the level, but alright, guys, it's been a couple of hours since. I want you to notice how this is a 30-minute time frame, but after I placed this the support level, price actually went up. Actually went all up all the way to the tip of it and came back down and went up and came back down and went up again. But now it's gradually coming down. Sometimes price when you enter, because I entered here before actually price shot up there, I had to eat that retest, but because it was my calculations for the zone were spot on, it went up and still came back down. Sometimes you must go in a negative for a little bit so that you can end up being in a profit. So we're hanging on. It finally broke through, support pushed it down, and then we shall see where we end. But yeah.
Alright, guys. So it's the next day, and look at what has transpired. It's the 5th. It passed, you see, broke out, came down all the way to support. Yeah. What happened when we touched down? The market decides to go down to the bottom range of support, and then now it's coming up.
We'll see if it can break through. If it goes above this range, we'll probably cash out. But otherwise, if it goes back down, we're chasing this range here. For now, we're busy hovering around daily highs, previous highs, and then we'll see. We shall see. In terms of progress, that's how much we currently at. And yeah, man. Yeah.